Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're fixing one of the most frustrating issues you can run into: black screen on YouTube TV. Whether audio without a video, a completely black screen, or your stream suddenly cutting out, I've got a base method to get your backup and watching without missing a beat. First, start with the basics. Restart your device, whether you're watching on a smart TV, streaming stick, or a phone. A quick reboot clears out a temporary glitch. If you're on a TV or a streaming box, unplug it for about 30 seconds and then plug it in back. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause streaming issues, especially with live content. Make sure you're getting a solid signal. If needed, switch it to Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. Now open the YouTube TV app and try playing a different channel or video. If one works but the another doesn't, it issue may be with the specific channel feed, not your app. Still seeing black? Go to the app settings and clear the cache. On most smart TVs and Android TVs, you can go this in the app section under storage. For the iOS, just uninstall and reinstall the app instead. Also, make sure your TV app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often can compatibility issues that leads black screens and crashes. And lastly, don't forget TV firmware or OS. Head to your system settings and check for updates. An outdated system can mess with now apps run. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If this helps you to fix a black screen on YouTube TV, make sure to like, leave a comment with that work for you, and subscribe for more nonsense streaming fixes. Because smooth streaming should not be optional. It should be standard. And catch you in the next video.